Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Changing the Java version from the command line can be essential for developers who need to work on projects that require specific Java versions. This tutorial will guide you through the process of checking your current Java version, installing a new version, if needed, and switching between different Java versions using the command line. Step 1, check current Java version. Before switching Java versions, you can check which version is currently set as the default on your system. Open your command line interface, terminal on macOS/Linux or command prompt/PowerShell on Windows, and run. You should see output similar to this. Step 2, install multiple Java versions, if needed. If you don't have multiple versions of Java installed, you can download and install them from the Oracle website, https://www.oracle.com/java-java-jdk11-downloads.html, or the Adoptium website, https://adoptium.net. For Linux users, you can often install multiple Java versions using your package manager. For example, on Ubuntu, you can do Step 3, change Java version. On Windows 1 using the command line *. You can set the Java_home environment variable temporarily in a command line session. To verify the change, run 2 using the Java command *. If you want to change it permanently, you can set the Java_home variable in the system properties. Right-click on this PC or my computer and select Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings. Click on Environment Variables. Under System Variables, click New or select Java_home and click Edit. Set the variable to the path of the JDK you want to use. Update the path variable to include %Java_home%\bin. On macOS/Linux. On macOS and Linux, you can use the Update Alternatives command, for Debian-based systems, or directly manipulate the path variable. 1 using Update Alternatives *. You can use the following command to configure Java alternatives. This command will list the installed Java versions. You'll see something like this. Type the number corresponding to the version you want to use and press Enter. 2 using the path variable *. You can also manually change the path variable in your shell configuration file, like .bashrc, .bash_profile, or .zshrc. After editing the file, be sure to source it to apply the changes. Step 4, verify the change. Run the Java version command again to confirm that the Java version has changed. Conclusion. Switching between Java versions on the command line can be done easily with the methods shown above. Whether you are using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, you can manage your Java installations and set the default version to match your project's requirements. This flexibility is crucial for Java developers working in diverse environments.